I am in Trivandrum. Hello and welcome back to my channel Explore with Steffe. Hope you all are doing well. So I am in Trivandrum and in today's video I am going to show you a beautiful resort at a very affordable price. This resort is quite big and well maintained and you are going to get pool view rooms as well. And the rooms are quite spacious and well maintained. So without any further ado, let's start today's video. If you guys have seen my previous video, you will be knowing that I was in LAP. And now I am moving towards LAP railway station because we have our train to Trivandrum. And our train arrived. Again telling all of you, train is the most easiest, cheapest and comfortable mode of transport when you are in Kerala. And our journey started. The views are just amazing on the way to Trivandrum. And we reached Kovalam. Trivandrum is just 5 to 6 kilometers away from Kovalam. After getting down at the station, we booked a cab and now we are moving towards the beautiful resort I was talking about. Trivandrum is the capital of Kerala and is also known as Thiruvananthapuram. Feeling refreshed after a train journey and loved how the roads and everything were so well maintained. And we reached our resort. It's the Golden Sands Beach Resort. So this is the entry of the resort and now let's get in and show you all the resort. As I get in, I saw greenery everywhere. So this one is the reception. All the check-in formalities are going on. And then let's show you all the resort. So this is how it looks like. And you can see this huge pool just beside the building. Now, let me show you the room from outside which is allotted to us. So, this one is the balcony of that room and check out the view from here. So, it's basically the pool view room. Now, let me get inside and give you a room tour of the same. This is the door and as you get inside, in the left side, this is the washroom which I'll show you later and this is how the room looks like. Isn't it beautiful? Especially these warm lights are making it look more beautiful and I don't think this camera is doing justice to it. It's quite a huge and spacious room. So as you enter the room, in the left hand side you will get this huge cupboard to keep your stuffs and all the luggages. And there is a mirror placed in the middle. And then you will get this king-sized bed here which is provided with a comfortable mattress. And the most important thing that the linens are quite clean. And in both the sides of the bed there are two side tables kept to keep your stuffs. Here you are getting a small dining setup to enjoy your lunch or dinner. Again, there is a small refrigerator in the room as well. Then there is a television to entertain yourself while in the room. Okay, so I forgot to show you, but there is a ceiling fan and AC both in the room which works fine. Now let's show you the view from here. So that's the pool which I showed you earlier. Now let's check out the view from the balcony. So this is the balcony and you can see how spacious the balcony is. So there is a small setup. You can enjoy your tea or coffee sitting here with this view. Now let's go and check out the washroom. This is the washroom which is attached to the room, and you can see it's quite spacious. So this is the basin area, and you can see the washroom is well cleaned and maintained. And all the necessary amenities are there in the washroom. As I was quite exhausted after the journey, I changed and went into the pool. Don't worry, I will let you know about the price and how I booked it in this video only. But first let me show you a beautiful thing. Can you see this? Yes, I am talking about that peacock. He stays near to the resort in a huge tree and often comes here. Just check this out. He is not afraid of anything and moving all around. See, he is coming near the camera without any fear. Spent a lot of time capturing him. Then ordered some chicken pakoras as I was really hungry. We also ordered a fish fry which was quite good. Then I enjoyed in the pool for some time. In the evening, came out to roam outside and found out that they also have their own restaurant. You can also enjoy your food here. And then I saw this aquarium and saw some real cute fishes. I really loved this resort, which is filled with nature and plants everywhere. Now, let's talk about the price. This spacious and beautiful room with the pool view and balcony costed us 1400 Indian rupees, which is quite a good deal for this resort. Now, how to book them? They are available online. I have booked them through Alibaug. If you want, you can check them out. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment and share. and please subscribe to my channel Explore with Steffe. Trivandrum sightseeing will be in my next video, so stay connected. Thanks for watching. See you all in my next video. Till then, be safe, be protected and happy traveling.